Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close or delete your Microsoft account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to follow this community post on Microsoft. And from here, we are going to learn exactly how you can delete Microsoft account. So simply, you will be needing just to go to your Microsoft account dashboard where you can manage your account. After that, you will be needing just to go to your info, account info, and then we will need just to search for close account and confirm or follow on the screen or the on-screen instruction to verify identity. So here, let's just go and use or do these steps. So here, I'm just going to my account, and basically here, you will have your account, and you can simply go to your info. And basically, now we find or we can see this close account option on the bottom. So you will find like sign in preferences, product safety, and next to it close account. So you click on it, and basically it will take you here so you can be aware that everything or by closing your account means that you won't be able to use it to sign into any Microsoft products, including like services like the Office, Outlook, Hotmail, OneDrive, or anything. And basically, after you read all these instructions and that you are really sure that you want to close your account, you will be needing to simply click on close account, and then you will need just to finish the process. So you will be prompted to verify your account, you follow on the instruction, you check the page that shows the correct Microsoft account and click next, and basically you will be able to delete your account. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.